Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until noon. At 11:09 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hanover Park, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elk Grove Village, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Hinsdale, Oak Brook, Westmont, Roselle, Bloomingdale, Villa Park, Bensonville, Wooddale, Winfield, Itasca, Clarendon Hills, Wayne, and Berkeley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is